Tajaho Washu Magolan. I coming from Croatia. Since 2015 I came to Suđo for the first time. In 2017 I opened the first boxing gym. It was small back then and I was only coach. After I gather more and more people, this gym becomes small, so I decided to open biggest one in Suđo center. Since 2019 I opened a bigger boxing gym and I bring 2 boxing Croatian professional coaches to join me. Me and my team organized 7 times Suđo Showdown boxing charity event since 2015, and this year we are planning to organize in October 17th and 18th 2 nights. This is one way which I want to contribute to the society, to make people more awareness for the sport and for healthy lifestyle. When I have a free time, I like to play basketball and football. There is such a nice pitch on the 6th floor of Suđo Center, top floor. There is so nice view and where can you relax yourself. Here I can say life is easy in the way everything is so convenient. You can do everything by Alipay. Buy whatever you want. Tickets for the cinema, tickets for the train, food, whatever you like. After a long time class in the gym, I often choose Chinese food. I like youtiao, I like yarro, I like jida mi fan. During these 5 years staying in China, I witnessed a rapid change in this country, especially Suđo SIP. Rapid development of building skyscrapers, infrastructure. When I go abroad, when I come back, I always see something new happen here.